Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the benefits of a CommBank Smart Access account. A CommBank Smart Access account is a popular everyday transaction account in Australia, designed for easy management of your money. One of the main benefits is that you can get a $0 monthly account fee if you meet certain conditions. This includes if you're under 30, a student, or if you deposit at least $2,000 each month. The account also comes with a debit MasterCard, which gives you access to a wide range of payment options. You can use it for online and in-store shopping, and it's compatible with digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay. You can also make fee-free withdrawals at CommBank ATMs. Another key advantage is the suite of smart money management tools available through the CommBank app. Features like Spend Tracker categorize your transactions so you can see where your money is going, while Bill Sense helps you predict and manage upcoming bills. There's also Goal Tracker, which lets you set and monitor your savings goals. The account provides added security with features like real-time transaction notifications and the ability to lock or unlock your card for specific transactions. Additionally, you can receive exclusive offers and cashback rewards from popular brands through CommBank's Yellow program. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.